style.
Here go! No, no, no. Piece of shit car. I had a piece of shit car. That fucking pile of shit never gets me very far. My car's a big piece of shit, 'cause the shots are fucking shot. And my seatbelt's fucking broken. I got to tie it in a knot. It's a piece of shit. I can't see through the windshield, 'cause it's got that big fucking crack. And the interior smells real bad, 'cause my friend puked in the back. It's a piece of shit. Piece of shit car. He looks real dick. 100% crap. Oh fuck you car. It's got no CD player. It's only got the 8-track. Whoever designed my car can lick my sweaty nutsack. And I got no fucking brakes. I'm always way out of control. 11 times a day. Hey, 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 watch it, asshole. I got a piece of shit car. The guy sucks my ass. Fuck. That pile of metal shit. Oh, what the fuck did I do? What the fuck did I do? What the fuck did I do to get stuck with you? You two water drive through, and they smell like tissue, 'cause it's too gross to do. Oh, fuck me. Well, the engine likes to flood. The car always fucking stalls. And then she's got a big rip, so the spring always pokes the balls. Plus the door locks are busted. I got to use a fucking coat hanger. And if a girl sees my car, there's no chance I'll ever bang her. Hey, shut up, a piece of shit car. You piece of shit car. Oh, fucking tires. No review fucking mirror. 7 different colors. Fucking rag for gas cap. Tailpipe makes sparks fly everywhere.